Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I unclog my drain. Right now I have the stopper closed up, but if I push it down you'll see it's draining very slowly. And there's a simple way to fix that. Some people use a zip stick, other people use chemicals. I like to remove the stopper and clean it off. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put on some latex gloves and then get out of the sink and show you how to remove the stopper and clean it. Okay, so I am under the sink here. And as you can see, I have a bucket. You're going to want a bucket because as you remove this stopper right here, some water is going to leak out. Now, I've let the sink drain out, so there's no water in the sink. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew this. You can hear some water coming out. And then you take this out, and I just kind of let it hang there. And now what I can do is I can go back up to the sink and take the stopper out and clean it. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so the stopper is disconnected. I'm going to pull this out and you'll see all the grossness that's been clogging up the drain. Oh, yeah, and you can't smell this, but that smells awful. So I'm going to stop recording and clean this off, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've cleaned the stopper off, and now it's time to put it back in. So you want to make sure that this little hook thing is facing the back towards the faucet, because that's what we're going to attach that pin that we unscrewed and removed into. So I'm going to go under the sink now and show you how to do that. So we've got our pin here, and let me clear this off. There's some rust on it. Just put that in the bucket. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to maneuver it back in there. And this is the tricky part. You got to kind of feel around until it hits that eye hole of the stopper that we put in. And I think it has. I'm just going to poke my head up here. Yeah, it's in place, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and screw it back on. Okay, so this is notched through the eye hole, and now I'm going to tighten it up. And finger tight is okay. Mine's plastic. I don't want to break it, so that seems nice and tight. And now I'm going to turn the water on and see if it leaks. And it seems like it's doing okay. Also, this is your P-trap. There might be a clog in here, but my first step is to always check the stopper, because in the past that has been what's been causing the slow draining of the water from the sink. If I wanted to remove this to check it, I would just undo this right here, this one, and this one. They just unscrew off, and I could have access to the trap to inspect it. But it seems like I don't need to do that today because the water is now draining fine. And there it is. Let it fill up a little bit and see how quickly it drains. Much better. So as you can see, this was a pretty easy fix. All you have to do is unscrew the thing holding the stopper in underneath the sink, pull the stopper out, clean it, put it back in, screw the piece back in, and you're good to go. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.